that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes.
Sorry if it's loud outside. Excuse my room. I'm filming my intro real quick. I already finished editing and I just want to, you know, do my intro. So I just want to say, yep, hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do these cornrows. I don't really know how to do cornrows that well. This will be my first time, so I just want to record. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna record it. Wish me luck. I was gonna be like a talking video, but I want this to come out good, so I'll probably voice over or just fast forward. We'll see. Oh yeah. Talk about hair growth. I definitely need to trim really bad. I was looking at my ends. I have so many single strand knots, and when I was blow drying it, my ends were just getting caught up in the blow dryer, especially this side, like right here. I think it's like the longest random part of my hair. It needs to be trimmed bad, like this all needs to go. And I think after this video, when I take down my hair, I'll do a blow dry trim video like this video. Leave a comment if you want to see that. I'm about to try to braid, cornrow, do some feed in cornrows. I want to do about like between 8, 10, and 16, but I'm thinking 8 is the winning number because I'm new to this. Okay, products I'm going to be using, I had some braiding hair laying around, so I'm going to be using this pre-stretched hair, also this other pack of pre-stretched hair. This one is really long, it's 52 inches, so I'm probably going to use this more for the end, and then I'm going to probably use this one to start the braids. Let's see if I can stay that organized. Actually, I'm going to speak higher of myself. We're going to really take our time and really try, because I really want this to look cute. Like, I wanted to go get this done, but honestly, I didn't want to like not have hair to do a video with. I was like, you know what, I'll just do it myself and make a video. Alright, let's start. I know this is not one of them chaotic videos. I'm not in a very how-to mood, but then again, I really don't know how to do what I'm doing. I definitely wing new hairstyles I try, and sometimes they work out and sometimes they don't, and then when they do work out, sometimes. So we're gonna do this, and then when I do actually have a technique to show y'all, I'll show you. But right now we're just gonna wing it together. I know I'm supposed to start down the middle. I also have this comb, got braiding hair, and wow, cute, Mary's edge wax. I was trying to find, was it one of those, the yellow like jam, shining jams, but the store didn't have it, so I just got that. I feel like it's gonna do its job because I have edge booster for my edges, which is really what I need the whole for anyway. I feel like it's kind of similar to shine and jam. You just don't get that shine or the jam. You know, it gives you the whole for what you need it to do. So I'm actually pretty impressed with how straight my part got. The lighting is weird, y'all. My ring light is in a weird place, so sorry about that. Things are looking good so far. So now I'm just gonna go with more beeswax, and now I don't know what to do. What next? I'm trying to think what section I want to braid first. I feel like I want to do a braid here first, because then I can know what size I want to go for. Let me see what pictures I have on my phone. And look, I really wanted the corners with designs, but I'm not that advanced yet. We're not going to do that yet. I know I have some screenshots in my phone of what I want, so I'm going to look at that real quick. How many braids is this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
2 hours later.
4, 5, 6. So these are 12 braids. I like the look of 12, and that is not any of the numbers I wanted. Like, this is cute. So we're gonna do 12. So let's start. I did cornrows on my hair one time, and it came out okay, just like for, you know, trial and error. So it wasn't too bad, but I wouldn't have like, you know, worn that as like, oh yeah, did my hair. And I'm pretty sure nobody was asking where I got my hair done. But, you know, it was cute for what it was. Now I want to try to actually do this. It might not be the best, but you know, we're gonna learn. And it's in the middle. Let me not mess with the middle part, because we actually did that. So I'm gonna put one side up. We're gonna work with one side at a time. And now we gotta make another part. I'm thinking, since I have to, my middle part is already looking off. I don't know if that's because I pulled this too tight. Let me not do that, because I will repart it and mess everything up. But this can go here. I feel like parting is the hardest part. I know feeding the hair in is going to be pretty difficult, but I know parting is really going to take me forever, especially because I don't want it to look crazy. At least the middle part, you know, so that can really throw your whole head shape off. Is that good? I think so. Now let me brush my edges down more on this side. We were going to start braiding first, and I realized while I was blow drying my hair that I wasn't supposed to do a talking video. It was supposed to be voiceover, but here I am running my mouth. Yeah, I realized while I was blow drying my hair that this side of my hair was thicker than this side, and this side is longer and thinner. Like even the edges on this side are way thinner. I'm pretty sure that's due to like tension. I did box braids a whole lot at one point. That's why I've been steering clear of them for a while now. We're gonna go. This is where I always get tripped up, is like parting back, but we're gonna try. I don't know if I should start by my ear, but I wonder if this is too thick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's looking like I'm gonna get 10 or 12 out of this. I hope these parts is okay, because this is hard. I'm gonna just come back when I got the first part down, because if I really sit here until I get this part down, my battery will die. So I'll be back. Alright, I think I got my part pretty okay. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. I don't know what happened to the bottom here, but I'm probably gonna fix it, and then we're gonna put this braid down. People on YouTube make it look so easy, and you would think that I wouldn't be a hair YouTuber. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that in the back so that they all gather evenly because of how heads are shaped. They're shaped like this, so maybe the parting is supposed to look like that. I figured out that I should use a mirror this way to see how I'm parting, and it's actually helping. The parting is not perfect, but it's good as long as it looks mostly straight in the front. Now I'm just gonna take a bit of the hair. Don't ask me how I'm gonna feed this in, okay? I'm about to try it, and then maybe I'll explain how I did it when I figure it out. I'm guessing we're gonna do small amounts and then gradually get bigger. That's how I seen them do it in the video, and that's how I did the last time I did my feed-ins. You know, I'm gonna leave y'all up there. I'm sweating. Oh, look at the quality. All right, let's turn up the lighting a little bit, even though I'm not gonna show y'all how to do nothing. It's just gonna be fun to look at. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, does it look like, am I feeding it in? It looks like it, but how? Now I'm scared for the bag. That's about to look all botched. In my bathroom doesn't have one of those opening cabinet mirrors. Those things are so helpful, because all you gotta do is bring a body mirror in there and put it on the opposite wall behind you, and you can literally see from all angles. You have to stand, but it's literally way easier. Oh, it looks pretty good. I'm impressed. I watched a few videos, and I know they said put it in your pointer finger, and then I saw them do something like this, but honestly, I'm just like putting in my pointer finger and then keeping one strand in the middle and then continuing braiding with whatever side on the opposite side that I put the hair in. See, like every time I hear somebody explain it, it sounds like a different language to me. This is what we got so far. I did another one. I don't know if y'all could see that, but that's how it's looking so far. I'm gonna do the third braid now. It's definitely easier when I'm not trying to focus on recording, but I do want to show you guys how I'm doing it. Well, like, show you guys while I do it. How? I don't know. I'm trying to see if the hair I'm leaving out for edges is too much or not. I feel like that's really important. Sometimes I don't leave enough hair out, and I feel like I wasn't gonna leave out so much, but honestly, I have a big forehead, and this is like a slick backety back. So now my lighting messing up. What is going on, bro? I'm about to just not. But quitters never win and winners never quit. It's not perfect, but you know, I feel like it's pretty good for my second time doing it and my first time actually parting it correctly and adding hair all the way down to the bottom. I think the last time I did my own hair and then I just fed it in at the bottom. But yeah, this is fed in from like right here. This is where it starts getting fed in. You can't really tell. It doesn't look bad. I feel like when I put mousse and dip it and lay my edges the right way, it'll look good. And when it's done.
Don't change it. I'd rather be better if I was basic.
I'm the like that. I hate it. I hate it. So this is what it's giving so far. I guess we're going for the more organic cornrows, looking like, you know, but I feel like it doesn't look too bad. I mean, I can leave it in for a little while, maybe when I'm done and I wrap it, but I just like the crispiness of cornrows, and when the partings are just not like as crispy as I like to see them, because I'm not a professional, like I get mad, like I should have put this hair here. I don't know, whatever's going on, it's just not to my level of expectation, but I feel like I'm doing pretty good, and as I keep practicing I'll get better and better.
Meanwhile,
Okay, I know how to braid. I wanted to take it out, but I feel like, you know, this is, I could pass, we could pass. Okay, this braid looks pretty good. I kind of was nervous about it because there was such little hair. I never fed in here, but I mean, I can't tell from here. So I'm gonna do the last braid for this side. We ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're gonna have 10 braids instead of 12. But honestly, my head is like fake big small, so I don't see where I was gonna spit. I'm feeling way better about it now that this is braided, and now I can kind of see how it's gonna look together. Like, I kind of like it. I'm excited to see it done and dipped and stuff like that. This video really had no point because I knew damn well when I came on camera I did not know what I was going to be talking about. But you know what? I'm going to do a hair series of trying new things. So this is trying new things, and then I'm going to try laying that wig that I keep saying I'm going to keep trying to lay. And I'll make like a little playlist of me trying new things. If you guys want me to try any hairstyles, let me know. That's why I gotta keep it on. What the hell is that? Why are these braids so good? Now watch this side look so much better than these three. Like, dang, these look so good. Those braids look so much better than the top ones. But I mean, that's good. That means I'm actually learning what I'm doing. Like, this is really clean. I think that's all the footage I'm gonna collect for this video, because it's really just gonna be me doing the same thing on this side, trying to figure it out. If I do have some sort of like, I don't know, revelation or something, and I have to show you guys, I will. I'll probably just come back before I dip it, when I lay my edges, add the mousse and stuff like that. But as far as braiding, like, I need to focus, because if this is what's gonna happen when I'm paying attention, I could save the look. All right, this is how my hair came out. Not that bad, actually. This side, okay, I was fed up after I turned the camera off. Like, I did this braid and then I kept messing up with these, and I was just like, whatever, we're gonna get what we're gonna get on this side, as long as it's not looking too crazy. When I woke up and this was there, I was like, oh no. But nothing, a little setting lotion and a good wrap won't fix. Why are we yelling outside? But yeah, it's not that bad. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I can't wait to try this hairstyle again, and I know it will come out better because I'll know a little bit more and have a little more experience behind me doing it for the second time. If you guys want to see me try out more hairstyles and stuff like that, make sure you leave a comment and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. You know.
That don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes.